Alright YouTube, I'm going to be testing this DCF900 against a 2767 using the Skidmore torque tester, and I think you'll see today how useful the info from the torque test channel is, because with their setup they can graph it and you can really see using the graph what is going on under the curve even before the tool reaches a peak number. This Skidmore is really useful for the peak number, and if you are all about getting the highest, biggest number, then you'll probably like this video. Now, what else? This tool is about 1.5 years old. It's very little use. I didn't even make videos of it, so very little use on this. This thing is a couple months old. Has a brand new XR 5 amp hour. I just opened it up yesterday, and it actually has more use on it than this thing. The other thing is, if you are in Canada, this is with 2 batteries and a charger right now, $800. Americans can't believe these prices. This one is around $650 to $700. So before you go, if you're new to all of this and you're thinking of diving in, definitely look at the other tools available, because spending that kind of money, you're really committing to, you know, being in a Milwaukee lineup or Dewalt. And regardless of the outcome of this video, I do like both, and I love Milwaukee. Like, this is my favorite Milwaukee tool right here. So I do love my Milwaukee tools, even though there's a lot of jokes about Milwaukee on this channel. But I also love my DeWalts. Like, this thing is amazing. This DCF900, and this one that caught fire on the VCG channel. Go check out those epic videos. So I do like both, but definitely think about it before diving in, because the prices are insane right now the way the dollar is. So what we're going to do, before I was running it for 5 or 10 seconds, we're just going to go till the needle stops, and just do it that way, just for this time only, okay? All right, we have a 2767 with the XE 5 amp hour battery. It is fully charged. It's a 2-inch socket, and we're just gonna go till it stops. All right, ready? All right. I don't think it's going past that. Now we have the Dewalt DCF900, brand new 5 amp hour battery. It is 3 bars, fully charged. DCF900. Here is the socket, by the way, 2-inch. It is brand new, pretty much. Okay, so DCF 900 will go to its stops. It was not going past that. Reverse. That's Dewalt. Alright, like and subscribe. Hit that super thanks button if this was helpful. Alright.